Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 11816 Beaverton. Just did a repair on the stack in the floor here. Off of the sink line here, went over, cuts in, cuts over, goes in the 4-inch line over there. So we're going to go ahead and replace the floor trap too there. I'll go ahead and run in here and show you. Alright, so we got our camera pushed through here. I ended up pushing out like 44 feet, 45 feet. The repair was done, I think around 14 feet from where it wides together with the cast iron, and then comes to the 3-inch stack here. You got a turn right there, possible wide. You got a Y right there. This is where they repaired the line here. As you see, all the cast iron looks good. We were just running water through there, so that's why it's holding a little water, but connection looks good. Pull on back. Put floor drain ties in there. And here we are at the stack. So, alright, everything looks pretty good in there, so you should be good to go. Thank you.